Here's Jaymar Perez. 2 tries, won't go. Pero Bradwin Quinto gets the follow. It's a bruise and a deuce. A 3-point play opportunity para dito sa San Sebastian.
Alam natin si Bradwin Quinto, malakas rebound to. He got 7 points and 8 rebounds last game. At alam naman natin si Jaymar Perez. He scored 20 points and 5 rebounds, 4 assists. He's an all-around player. Parang mala Calvin Nagbueva ang datingan.
Yo, Renren, pumasok to Jaymar. Quick pass to the post. Quinto gets Mamulak. Quinto puts on a move. Bradwin Quinto scores inside.
Kung titingnan natin, ang laki ni Boss, that's mistake. Nakikita natin yan sa resulta ng San Sebastian.
One good game. They know they're a very talented squad. How do they go into every challenge and say, okay, magaling kami, but will not take anyone lightly?
Alam namin magaling kami. Hindi kami nagmamayabang, pero
well, objectively, an objective observation.
We know we're good back in college kasi we have the solid team talaga. Hindi masamang mayabang, pero wag ka mawawalan ng respeto sa kalaban mo. Yung respect against your opponents are very important. We're good back in college kasi the time and effort we put in practice, kung paano kami pigayin ni Coach Franz in practice, kung paano kami mag-train, kung paano kami tumakbo ng suicide drills. Hindi ko alam kung pag hindi pa kami gagaling that time. Yung effort namin, yung time namin, plus yung studies namin, I mean, lahat yun sama-sama mo. Pag hindi pa namin, siguro.
Almazan, nagpapahinga pa rin. Cruz coming off the screen. Sebastian moving the ball around. Perez. Nolan pass. Quinto inside. Nevera fires a three. Way off. Quinto with the putback. Stag still battling. Mark Cruz pressured at the backcourt. Finds Zambata. And it
paint is so clogged, so they have consistently from the outside. That one shot of Fluid can definitely open from the sling, and Almazan doing everything here for his team.
Nevera inside to Quinto. Facing Almazan. Puts it up off the glass.